So I'm back with another session of Fix Your Grill. Today is September 24th, 2020. So we're gonna see what we got. Hopefully there's been some improvement in the grilling department. All right, let's see. Please call and let us know. Yeah, they got some crazy stuff going on here. So I got the call and then let them know I'm there. Annoying stuff. But we'll do what we gotta do. Yeah, so another session of Fix Your Grill. Oh, hopefully we're right on schedule. Hopefully what the doctor. Where's this phone thing? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, Dr. Sacco.
Hi, this is Perseus. I'm outside. Can you hear me? My phone's tripping. I was trying to tell you I'm outside, but the phone kept going to another device.
Oh, yeah, I was telling you could come in.
Okay. All right. So yes, we're here and another session of Fix Your Grill. Because the grill has to be fixed.
We need to process too, because I couldn't do
Feel
just a
like
month ago. Okay. Yeah, because I had to reschedule it today. Okay.
hey.
What's the last one? It's. She said it doesn't look
Hey,
So,
how you
have you
doing?
traveled?
No,
Have you had any fever?
no, not that I know of.
Any contact with anyone with the virus?
I wouldn't know.
Well, sometimes you know. You know, like you didn't know, but now you know.
All right, I don't know.
All right.
You need to check my forehead.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm about to do it.
go ahead.
All right.
All right.
Now you can call the page.
All right. I got verified.
Right in here.
All right. Okay. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, that's how it's done. It's like that. You gotta get verified. So I'll be right here. Hey, babe. You see me? Can you see me? On deck. This is all gonna be work for me. Put these keys right here. Ladies and gentlemen. All right, being done. Then I'm gonna have to take my hat off too. Let's see.
So is everything okay with your braces? Nothing broke?
Not that I think. It was a little uncomfortable at times when I had the tighter ones on, but yeah, nothing broke that I know
Is there
of.
anything poking you?
No, thank God. Well, really nothing broken. How you been?
I've been good. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, take this off for me. Alright, so the doctor's gonna come take a look at you. You want Pearl like always, right?
good, good. Okay, let's scoot you up a little. You look pretty tipped. On your head there for a few minutes.
I was.
Sorry about that.
I survived.
That's good. All right.
How's your son doing?
Oh, amazing. I don't know if I told you that we took a week off. Not last week, the week before, but the week before. Oh my gosh, it was so fun. We met up with them in Grand Teton area, Jackson Hole area, and then stayed at an Airbnb for 3 nights, and then went to West Yellowstone and explored Yellowstone for 4. It's incredible.
Yellowstone Mountain?
My gosh. Yellowstone National Park.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
It was so fun. You know, I feel really grateful that my new daughter, I call her, I don't want to call her a daughter-in-law, she's a daughter
Right,
now.
it's a daughter.
Yeah, she wants to include us, you know. This was kind of like their honeymoon, because they had a little one last December, and their plan was to go to Europe when she finished her program and he finished his, and you know, and of course with COVID they couldn't do that. So she's like, well, haven't seen the family since December, since the wedding. So the first week they spent with us, the second week they went up to Glacier and were on their own, and now they're out. Alexander's coming home tomorrow, I don't know about her, with her parents in the Seattle area. So they hit everybody, and so it's
good.
really nice that we're not like, you know, we're included.
Right, they're not like, okay, we're
some-
doing us. Right.
Exactly, yeah, they've done a little bit of both.
I sense that, you can tell me that too. I see him getting a big promotion.
You do,
That's what-
interesting.
That's what the Lord is kind of, that's why I ask about it.
Interesting,
Right?
yeah, because
I
he's
see got a big
just,
promotion coming.
that's awesome, because he just sent us his website. He and his partner are searching for a company that, you know, the owner wants to sell, that they can then kind of turn around and improve, and so maybe that's what it's saying, if that's coming. That would be cool, because they're having a, you know, a little search committee here.
Yeah.
Ooh, I have to tell him that.
It's coming.
Cool.
So get ready
It's
for it.
cool. Yeah. Okay, so we did this chain to that one. That one's a lot better.
Yeah.
Let's see how pieces are. This guy right here just needs to be uprighted.
Yeah, I felt some pull.
Did
on
you?
on this, because of the remember I had got some tighter rubber band.
Yes.
And sometimes I would forget and I open my mouth to say
Oh,
something.
yeah.
I feel like it
Pull
was,
it a little bit too much. Yeah. Yeah, that's a tough one too, because you don't want to over rotate that. And close again. Let me just make sure. It's still doing okay. And you did the 1/8 just here, right?
Yeah.
And close again. Now, did you wear those all the time? The
Now,
reason I asked
I had to interchange them with the other one, because sometimes it got a little unbearable.
Too tight.
Right,
Okay.
too tight, where I felt like I was in jeopardy of the cap coming off.
Sure.
Right,
Okay.
because it had such a
So
strong pull.
possibly what we should do is go back to the other, and the reason is this: if you go from tight to looser to tight to looser, kind of back and forth, depending on how you're feeling, it's kind of like wearing them, not wearing them. And when you do that, you're going like this, and then you're backing off, even though you still have a rubber band on. It's not as tight, and then you're hitting hard and backing off, and the bone fights that.
Right, because I
It
couldn't
sets up
even
a barrier.
really, you know, talk, if I say, depending on what word I was using.
Sure, you couldn't even say it.
It felt like, and I didn't want, it felt like that, the cap was going to come
pop,
off.
yeah.
Right? That was.
Why don't
the
we,
caution.
I would rather have you consistently, absolutely all the time without fail, including meals, wear the lighter one then. So let's go back to the 3/16.
Okay.
Let's wear it absolutely all the time. You would take them off 3 times a day to brush your teeth.
Yeah.
And bite together. And that would be it, because at this point, you're about 2 to 3, somewhere in there, millimeters off, and I feel like that's been where you've been for a while. But back in June, you had said that sometimes you don't wear them